Hi ladies, so I just want to show you how to submit your final term papers one last time. So remember that you're going to submit in two places on Blackboard. You need to submit under the Safe Assign tab and also under the term paper tab. Also keep in mind that other English 203 sections may have different instructions, so if you have friends or family members in other sections, then they may be doing things a little bit different, but you need to follow my instructions. So the first place you're going to submit is under the Safe Assign tab here. So you want to submit your paper without the cover page and without your reference list. So once you have your final paper formatted, this is the sample I went over last Sunday. I would just highlight the body of the paper. Copy. And then create a new file. And just paste it. And then I would save it. On your desktop. And then go back to Blackboard and then under Safe Assign. And you're going to submit under TP Final. Yeah? Remember, TP Draft is just if you want to check your paper before you submit on TP Final. But once you submit on TP Final, that's it. That's your final paper. So you will upload your paper, browse my computer. Remember, it must be a Word document. You want to click here and then submit. You won't see this red line here. This is because I'm doing this as an administrator, not as a student. Yeah. But you won't see this here. And then you need to submit under term paper the final paper that you want me to grade. So this should be the paper that includes your cover page, right? So your cover page and then your paper and then your reference list, and then your references inserted as objects, yeah? So the paper that you want me to grade, this is the one you're going to upload into under the term paper tab. I'll just close this. And so you're going to go term paper, and you'll see TP final paper. Browse my computer. Find the file. Make sure it's a Word document, .doc.docx. Click, and then submit. And then this screen should appear, so you should be able to see your paper here. And then the Safe Assign report will generate, although it will probably take a little time. Okay, so this is the TP final, right? This is where the paper that you want me to grade, including your formatting, your cover page, and your sources. The Safe Assign tab, that's just for me to check the Safe Assign, yeah? So you need to upload into those two places for your final submission by midnight on Tuesday, April 6th. So if you make a mistake or there's some type of problem, it's considered not submitted until the mistake is corrected. But you need to make sure you're checking your email on Wednesday and Thursday in case, there is some type of issue. So you want to do this correctly the first time so that way you don't lose any points for it being late. Okay. So just to quickly summarize, you're going to submit your paper in 2 places on Blackboard. You're going to submit in Safe Assign tab where it says TP Final. You're going to remove your cover page and your sources. And then the paper that you want me to grade with your cover page and your sources, you're going to submit under TP Final Paper, which is under Term Paper tab. Both of these documents should be Word documents. And that's it. And remember that these are instructions. These instructions are specific for my courses. So again, if you have friends or people in other courses with other teachers, they may have different instructions, but you need to follow my instructions for the final paper submission. Okay, good luck.